Hello, New School Baby Boys here, and today I'm doing a little unboxing of Lucifer. I finally got this one in. I have one more coming in tomorrow, or for you guys will be today. For you and for me, it's tomorrow because it's 10:30 right now p.m. Because I literally just got off work at 9. So yeah, it's gonna be Lucifer Variant 2 defense. Really can't wait. And Morbius. I think I got that right. And here's the gimmick. Really can't wait. Here's the top. Here's the sides. Here's what the parts. And also, stay tuned for the next episode, because I got it too. So yeah. That's why I ordered 2 of these so I can have the parts for this. Let's get my work knife. So I literally got home not too long ago and too lazy to do it, and I'm going in really early tomorrow. I work at 6:30 Pacific Standard Time, so yeah, I have to leave at 6. And no, that sucks. Didn't get that right in the purple or pinkish one. Hopefully I have one more chance. Yeah. Go. The launcher, my last one broke, if you guys don't know. If you guys are new, my last launcher broke. Don't see the parts. Yeah, I don't see where I put the parts, but yeah, that broke. Tried to fix it, didn't work. But yeah, I'm going to actually keep this one till I get the other one. Goddamn. Yeah, this is why I'm not going to use this one that often. Parts. Oh, I got it. Okay, there we go. Let's get the driver out first. Oh god. Okay, good thing you didn't see my hair. That looks cool. But yeah, that's gonna be fun. And oh wow, that's actually pretty cool. I thought it was gonna be a lot longer, but yeah. And again, rubber. I really can't wait to see how this goes. I'm literally watching JoJo's video right now with what's the title? It's a Variant Lucifer versus all my sparking bays. Beyblade burst sparking. So yeah, I'm watching her video right now. This is gonna be fun. Let me close that up so I won't say anything. Thought it was gonna be a lot heavier, but that's metal. Right there. Let me weigh before I put the stickers on. And I decided to get the chassis and this one for the next one. I have an extra one of these, so I'm using that one for that. And also I'm waiting for another wheel on disc for it. So let's go with this. It is, 5 grams. This is 6 grams. The chassis, 47 grams. And finally, a driver, 8 grams. I'm going to at least get one launch for you guys after I put the stickers on. Because I don't want it to be loud. And I want to see how That's freaking bulky. And the teeth is pretty good. But that thing is weird. Definitely with this. And when this is worn down, this one will rip into to show you how. Yeah. And 66. Oh god, 666. Lucifer 666. Oh god. Sorry I had to do that. I literally had to. I did hear a lot of not a lot of YouTubers, BayTubers said that. So yeah. Let's see how this goes. Stickers. Decent amount of stickers. I'll put that on. And I really can't wait for these guys. Same with this one. This one's gonna be fun. These two are gonna be nice too, but this one's gonna be one of my favorites because I love Imperial. Imperial is one of my favorite layers. And that will be my secondary, my and my Super King layer I'll use for combos with Lucifer or Diablos, right Diablos. Let me turn that off. Let's put the stickers on. There we go. Nope. Okay guys, I got the stickers on. So let's do a test spin. Wow. I'm going to be doing a full battle of these soon, but yeah. Hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And goodbye.